The Amazon Echo Dot, 3rd generation with a clock.
Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology and video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go. Hey friends, today we are going over Alexa's Echo Dot 3rd generation with a clock. This version of the Echo Dot has an LED display that can show the time, outdoor temperature, or timers, but it still does everything else the Echo Dot normally would do. As you can see, the Echo Dot is glowing a yellowish green ring. That means that I have an alert. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what my new notification or alert is. Echo, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Herbal supplements products has arrived.
So as you can see, not only did it tell me what my notification was, but it also told me the exact thing that was delivered. So if you have multiple packages that you're expecting, you can know which one for sure that it actually was that arrived. Echo, what's the weather?
Right now in Olympia Fields, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has mostly clear skies, with a low of 64 degrees.
Another thing that you can control with your Echo is the lights. So I'm gonna ask for it to turn off the light. Echo, turn off bathroom. And as you can see, it went completely dark. Echo, turn on bathroom. And it turned the light back on. You can hook up many things to the Dot for it to control. And one of the newest things that the Dot links to, and is a pretty cool feature, is connecting to your printer. So you can have it print your to-do lists, lined paper, graph paper, shopping lists, other things. You can have it do a Sudoku. So I'm gonna ask for something. Echo, print an easy maze.
Your maze was sent to the printer.
All right, now let's go check that printer. All right. So as you can see, the printer page says Amazon Alexa, and this is the maze that it printed. Pretty cool. When I first learned of the feature, I had it print out a Sudoku, and on here, you can see it's the Sudoku game from today. Pretty cool. Another cool feature that I like about all of the products that Alexa has to offer is that every speaker has a mute button now. On this one, it's going to be on the left-hand side. It's the circle button with the slash through it, and when you press it, you see the red. So the red means that it's muted and it can no longer listen to you. So no matter how many times you say Echo or Alexa, it can't hear you because it's muted. So if ever there's a reason you don't want it to be listening, there's that feature. Also, another cool feature with the Dot is that if you don't want to say a wake word and you're right by it and you just want to talk to it, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 64 degrees.
So, and that was the circular button to the right. And then the plus and minus buttons are your volume buttons. And I have another example of music. You can also use your Echo Dot to make phone calls. Echo, call Jess.
Calling Jess or he's mobile.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, I'm calling you from my Echo Dot.
How's it working?
It's working great. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah. You sound far away though.
Well, I am kind of far away because I'm behind the camera.
Oh, gotcha.
Well, thank you so much for agreeing to participate.
Well, don't I always?
All right, well, we're gonna hang up the call now. If you want, call me on my phone.
Alright.
All right. Echo, hang up. And that was an actual voice call done on the Echo Dot, not even having to use the Alexa app. Another thing that the Echo Dot does is it can set timers. For example, Echo, set timer for 10 seconds.
10 seconds, starting now.
Echo, stop. You can also make announcements to your other devices. For example, Echo, announce dinner is ready.
Announcing.
Dinner is ready. So as you can see, there are many, many different things that this dot is capable of doing. And it's very similar to the actual Echo Show review that I did. So you can go ahead and check that video out to see other features as well. But here at Quest for Tech, we like to give everything a 4-star rating. And the Echo Dot 3rd generation with a clock is getting 4 stars. We absolutely love this product. It works amazing. It does everything that we want and more, and it just seems like Amazon is always improving who it works with and how to integrate with more things, so it's always updating automatically and you learn new things almost every day with it. So definitely it gets a 4-star. Well, that's everything that we have for you guys today. We really appreciate you going on this quest with us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and remember, never stop questing.